How to find your Gmail account by phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find our Gmail by phone number. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to find your Gmail without phone number, using your phone number, all you need to do is head over to your Google and search for find your email, and Google links will be available on your screen. So just go ahead and tap on this find my account and you will be reaching here. So all you need to do is use up your phone number that you may have used in order to create your Gmail account. Just go ahead and do that. Tap on next. After that, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts provided by this Google. That will help you recover your account. So for now, this is the method you can apply up. It is a very easy method you can apply up if you want to find your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.